Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make tiny beef taco tarts. These beef taco tarts are a quick and easy appetizer or snack that come together in just minutes. They have all the flavors of tacos piled into a poppable little tart. Once you try these, you're going to want to make them again and again. Thanks to the team over at Beef Taco for supporting my channel and sponsoring this video. Let me show you how to make them. Okay, so to get started making our tiny beef taco tarts, we're going to start by making the meat mixture. And it starts with ground beef. So I just have some 80-20 ground chuck here. And to the ground beef, I'm going to add some diced onion and some minced garlic. We're gonna get all those flavors going together, and we're gonna get the beef crumbled into small pieces. Oh, the smell in here is incredible. There is nothing like onion and garlic cooking together. I love it. One of the great things about beef is it's a nutritional powerhouse. It accounts for approximately half of your daily protein allotment. Plus it has 10 other essential vitamins and nutrients. It's really packing a punch. So these little tiny tarts are gonna have so much nutrition just packed right into them. So our beef is just about done here. I'm just using this fun little gadget to break it up into small tiny crumbles. This is a great tool to use for this. Okay, so our beef is pretty much done cooking. Now we just need to drain out the fat that's in there, and I've got a fun little tip for you on how to drain a small amount of meat fat out of a pan without making a huge mess. So I just kind of take the meat, the pan, tilt it to one side and try to get all that fat to just drain down. I have too much of a tilt there. And I just take a wad of paper towels and just kind of put it in there very carefully. You might want to use tongs to hold on to the towels, but they just kind of sop up that beef fat, and then you just throw it away. No mess, and it got pretty much all of the fat out of the pan. Okay, so now that our beef is done cooking, we're gonna add some seasonings to it. So I have some prepared taco sauce. I have a little bit of cumin, some salt, and some pepper. And the smell is incredible. I love the smell of cumin. And you can use either hot or mild taco sauce, whichever you prefer. All right, so it looks like we have everything mixed together, and we will get started on filling our taco shells. On the baking sheet, I have these little tiny phyllo tart shells. You can find them in the freezer section of most grocery stores. They come already made, so they're really easy to use. I have a couple of boxes here, probably about 30 or 40 or so of the tart shells on the baking sheet here. So what we're going to do is just fill them with our meat mixture. And I find the easiest way to do this is with a teaspoon, and just put a little bit of the meat mixture into each of the cups. What's great about this recipe is you can make it in advance, get the taco cups all filled and ready to go, store them in the fridge, and then when you're ready to use them, just pop them in the oven and bake them. So because these taco cups are so small, you really want to make sure that your ground beef is broken up into really small pieces. And that's why that tool is so helpful. So our taco tarts are ready. We're just going to pop them in the oven for a few minutes and let that cheese melt. Okay, so our taco tarts are done baking. Okay, so we're just going to add our favorite taco toppings. We're gonna put some lettuce, some tomato, a dollop of sour cream. So our taco tarts are done, and don't they look amazing? I love how tiny and poppable they are. You can just one bite and done. They are so beefy and cheesy, and I love the freshness of the sour cream and the lettuce and that crisp from the phyllo tart shell. Guys, these are amazing. You need to make these for your next party. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.